Hello, I'm Liz Teig. I'm one of the science teachers at Stony Creek High School, and I have some information here about ninth grade science options. For all of our Stony Creek science students, we are requiring integrated physical science, which is a full year class, and it covers an introduction to just basic chemistry and basic physics. So it's sort of your introduction, learn a little bit of chemistry and learn a little bit of physics, see what those things are all about, and that would help students make their choices when they get to the higher level classes of do they want to pursue more education in chemistry and physics. So everybody needs this, and there's two ways to go about getting this information. One thing that students can do is they can take the class. So you just take a one-year class. This is a very standard thing for students to do. I would say probably most students simply take this class. It's a one-year class as a freshman, and that's your building blocks, your baseline science intro to get you on to the rest of the science options. The other way that you can get this information is you can learn it on your own and then take a test. And if you get a passing score on your test, then students are able to skip this introductory class and move on to the next level class, which is biology. And so might be wondering why we would want to do this. There's a couple reasons why students choose to test out. One reason students choose to test out is they just want to fit more science classes into their schedule. So we have a lot of things that are offered here at Stony Creek. There are a wide variety of science electives. And once they start looking at all these electives, they're going to maybe want to fit more of them in. So one way to do that is to test out of physical science. That way, freshman year, you take biology, which is normally a sophomore level class. And then when you get your junior or senior year, you've got a lot of space opened up to be able to fit all those electives in. You might just be trying to open up space your junior and senior year for other things. So it doesn't necessarily have to be trying to open up space for science classes. So it might be you're interested in opening up space for other things. And then some people are just interested in getting to those advanced science classes faster. They just can't get there quick enough. There's a lot of advanced classes and a full range of AP classes. And so if you want to get to those sooner, then testing out of integrated physical science is one way to do that. Another way to do that is to consider taking integrated biological science, your biology class, also a full year class. It is optional as a freshman. You have to take it eventually. You don't have to take it your freshman year, but you could. So what some people do is instead of testing out, they just choose to take physical science and biology their freshman year. So they have 2 hours of their day taken up with 2 science classes. And this, if it fits in your schedule, does exactly the same thing as testing out in terms of getting to the more advanced science classes quicker. Just realize that if you choose to do this and you're in biology as a 9th grader, you will be in a mixed class. It'll be 9th and 10th graders mixed in for that class. And that's all I have for you. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact me. And I hope you have success planning your schedule.